If given a chance, I'm US and she is Iran. Nihowi, ni mukanyagite, no giwita go watu sui, niaroka watu sui, ni makanyagite, matigihota gukira. Kama hora rigi, nido politics. But again, everybody should have their own. Etigo. Wakeri, jugeni thegio, nado areo mboka. Kumako waka ni aru, ginya kwa mundu wakwa kuu Budha, ndikumugweta. Tururira igwa Gikuyu, ginya kwa waja, na ado areo mego. I love you all. You are all my family. Priscilla, nichimu makete tagushi. Nizikudi, nikivye kuo. Korea. Da unyokete giuma kwa wainga. Da unyokete giuma kwa wainga. Hey, let me say. Jesu akejoya. Kiuba wega. Kwa wainga diga soka kwa ya manededa umuthi nikugote goro eda goro ni eda weka wega no bwire dukora wo hinya umuthi nendeda gucoka kuria no goro ni ekate kwa ya mane arega kadi na horo cio. But the point is, bigaso kariki kurwa familia kwa ngedwa politics.
Thank you, my baby.
I will support you as a singer, as an artist, and as Arani Joy. You are very mad at me. I know that. I know you've mobilized everybody. Nijui mada kariri ode, nikematari huku, mina madari na wika. Rochio, kamo kanyaga tao. Rochio, Rochio, wake vilieko, wake ireko. Rochio, gama gasharueko.
Kanyanga kabisa.
Sawa. It is beyond our political inclinations. And I appreciate the fact that Dada has appreciated that fact.